Good morning and what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Edible Fitness. The fitness you can eat. Today we are making one of my favorite morning time breakfast foods. What is it? It is overnight oats. They're great, they're quick, they're so awesome. Let's get started. But wait, before you watch the rest of this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, let's go. Alright, so we're going to start with the oats, which makes natural sense. So what I'm going to do is add the oats to a paper towel. I find this is the easiest way because this, it's going to be a problem. So add it to a paper towel first, and then you can use that as a funnel. So I'm going to add the vanilla whey protein. Now you can add any other protein. I'm using this kind of as a sweetener, but also as a protein intake. But you can add honey or brown sugar, or even white sugar if you're going that way, but it'd be best not to. So take those three, add them to your mason jar. Don't worry about mixing it up just yet. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is add my frozen mangoes to this one. Cover it just for a second, shake it up. Okay. Then add the milk to that. Now what I like to do is just take a knife and swirl it around just to make sure it does hit every little last morsel of oats in there. Cover it, stick it in the fridge. Monday morning, it's ready to go. That's it. All right, I got one more for you. Number 2. So, how does blackberry chocolate sound to you? Amazing, right? I know. So, as you can see, I've already added the whey powder and the oats. Now, I'm adding cocoa powder to this. You can just add chocolate whey protein if you want to go that route as well. There is that option. So again, put everything in the paper towel. Nice little mixture. Throw in your blackberries. This is gonna be so good tomorrow morning. Put on the top. And once again, we're gonna add the almond milk to the mixture. From the windows to the wall. Okay, and we are done. Once again, stir on the top. Yeah, twist on the top. And put it into the fridge. And then we wait for the next day. I did this one this morning. So let's take a look, shall we? And there is your goodness. This is the mango cinnamon one that I made.
Mango what?
Did I say mango cinnamon? Yeah.
Cinnamon.
Yeah. What did you think I said?
Cinnamon?
No. I said mango cinnamon. Man, there we have it. This is a great breakfast. Trust me, it is so good. You're gonna wish you had done it before. You're gonna wish you had watched this video before it happened. Anyway, let's just take a look. So good. Listen guys, let me finish this first. Go and give this a try. Trust me, you will not regret it. You will love breakfast all over again. You're gonna fall in love with, okay, maybe not that much. Anyway, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this recipe. Subscribe and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload delicious tasting new recipes just like this one. I'm gonna go finish this because it is so good, and I will see you right back here next time on Edible Fitness. Bye.